I see this becoming the premier home improvement competition in Australia. Not to take anything away from TV shows like The Block or any of the DIY home improvement shows that we see around the place as well, but I believe that this competition in conjunction with SmartKits can really showcase the ingenuity and the backbone and fortitude of the Australian culture and our public and our people, our citizens, to empower themselves and to build their own outdoor lifestyles. We know it's really hard to get into the property market these days for young people, but set your expectations low on a house that you can improve and then improve it using products like ours. It's not going to get any easier to find tradesmen, and we certainly know that houses aren't going to get any cheaper. So the best way to build your life and build your future economically is to buy and improve. And I see this competition, I see SmartKits being a big part of building the future Australia.